Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making spicy tofu skin salad. So for the ingredients, I do have some soy sauce, some dried tofu skin, some chopped green onions, chopped cilantro, and hot sesame oil. I also have some torn cilantro and shredded carrots for garnish. And by the way, I do have the full ingredient list and all the measurements in the description box down below. So here are the dried tofu skin sheets. They're also called dried bean curd sheets. You can find this at most Chinese grocery stores for around $3. So I did want to show you that they do come in different shapes and sizes, but I recommend using the flat sheets for this recipe because they cook a lot faster in about 3 minutes. And I just broke enough of the dried tofu skins into smaller pieces and filled a small plate. I'm just using a plate that's a little smaller than a dinner plate. Now I'm just going to set my stove to high and bring this water to a boil. And I'm just adding in the tofu skins. I'll just move them around a bit so they don't stick to the side. And I'll just lower the heat a little. And I'll just cook these for about 3 minutes. You can see how they're getting softer. Now I'm just straining it with some cold water. Now to drain them, I recommend using a salad spinner to remove all the excess water. So they're mostly dry now, but I'm still gonna pat them dry with some paper towels. It's important that they get pretty dry or you'll end up with a watery salad, which you don't want. So next I'm just gonna mix the salad. Now I'm just adding in the soy sauce, the hot sesame oil, some salt, some sugar, and I love chopped cilantro, and green onions. And I like to add shredded carrots, but you can add whatever you want. Make it your own. Now I'm just gonna try this. And ta-da! Spicy tofu skin salad. Have you ever had this before? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching and have a delicious rest of your day.